What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss. In this video I'm going to be answering your most asked questions from your previous video, so stay tuned, and if you have any more questions hit me up on Telegram or Twitter, so yeah, I can help you on anywhere. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so Mr. X is asking, bro, which cover are you using? Please reply, and glass also. So the glass is by Glazed Ink. You can go onto their website, and the cover, many people are asking regarding this, I don't know why. So this is a cover by Spurgeon. I don't really know if I should recommend it because it gets some yellowish tint pretty quickly. I don't know, I mean, if it's because of my usage, but it got it pretty quickly, so I don't really recommend it because it's 800 rupees, I mean 700 rupees. But yeah, moving on. Next up is, what is the new features in game turbo mode? Please tell us. So let me tell you guys that right now, let me show it to you. Special features, game turbo, and this is it. It's mostly like they've changed this thing, but once you open the game, the in-game thing, once you like slide from the corner, that's pretty much similar. But yeah, these are all the options. I don't really know if there is a voice changer in here. So if, for example, I don't know if I have this game, so yeah, I don't have the game downloaded. Let's see if there's a voice changer. So as you can see, there is no voice changer or nothing like that. These are just the saturation settings and stuff. There's no voice changer, and yeah, that is basically, there's nothing like a voice changer in here. So yeah. Okay, the next question is Sayed Akib is asking this, can we install the stable version after release? So I don't really understand your question. Obviously you will get the stable update, but it's going to be after about maybe 2.5 months, something like that, depending on like your China stable is going to be released first, then India stable, then global stable. And before global it's going to be European thingy like Mi 90 Pro from Europe stable. So that's how it's going to be released. You can install it, obviously. If you install this Miui 12 later, obviously you can flash that with the Miui flash tool using your computer. You can flash the stable version. And so the next question is Shubham Soni. I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly. Please tell me, is there any option to remove or turn off app drawer or Poco Launcher app drawer? So firstly, this my K20 Pro is Chinese K20 Pro, so it obviously by stock it comes with the Miui launcher, not the Poco launcher. So yes, you can turn off the app drawer from here. You can go here, app drawer. Oh, not here. You can go home screen and you can change it to regular, and then there won't be any app drawer. And Mol Mishra is asking this question, bro, show some fingerprint animation. So firstly, there is no new fingerprint animation. It's just like what it used to be. Let me just go here and show you the options. So if we go here, as you can see, these are the 4 available, and these were there before as well. There's nothing new. It's just like it used to be. So yeah, that is your question answered. And the next question is, bro, can I use it as a daily dabber? Yes, you can, if you can avoid some stutters that are there when you exit some apps. If you can live with those, then sure, you can use this. And by the way guys, Xiaomi EU is coming over the weekend, or like next 2-3 days, so please subscribe if you want to stay tuned about that one, and I'll make a video as soon as it's out. So yeah, do subscribe and turn on bell notifications. The next question is, S Network is asking this question, bro, can you set decent app like iOS? Sadly, we thought that would be an option for that would Miui 12 would come with the new decents, but it doesn't. It's just as it used to be. And yeah, so it might come in the future update, but so far it's just like it used to be in Miui 11, just the animation is a bit different, like it comes from the top, not from the bottom. The next question, Mine Animator asks, any effects on batteries? So far I've noticed that the battery life is it's pretty decent. not worse, not bad. I was using the stock kernel, so it's okay. It's not bad, but some people have reported that while gaming it does get a little hotter than it used to before on MIUI 11, and there are some a bit more battery drain, but I don't really do some gaming, but so I can't really talk about that, but on average the battery life is almost the same for me. The next question is Mark Upton. Hi, I have a Redmi K30 and it doesn't seem to be available for the phone. I am in China. When is it available? I updated. Will I lose my installed apps? So yes, while installing this you will lose all your data, so please read the pinned comment of the previous video on how to install it, and there I have a link to my Telegram group in which I'll put the latest updated links to the MIUI to the latest version of MIUI for you guys, so please join the Telegram group and I'll update you on that for the link for your device. Yeah, that is it. The next question is Amar Mohatni. He's asking, bro, while flashing it shows this is for Rafael and my device is Rafael. What do you do? Urgent. So I replied already. So what you need to do is basically you need to extract the file and then and then you can go to extract it, and then there's a tutorial on Google. If you just Google error code 7 of TWRP, that it shows a different device, you'll easily find it. So just do that, or you can also do is use the latest version of Orange Fox, and that might fix it as well. Aman Rajput, he says, love you my man, you are literally the first one to install the ROM, others were just showing screenshots, appreciate the effort. So firstly, thanks a lot, Aman, and yeah, that is it. So yeah, thanks a lot for commenting down below. The next question is Matthias Olivera asks, can you disable this giant pill? So yes, I showed it in my previous video. You can disable it. Just go to additional settings, this display, and then hide full screen indicator. You can click on not now, and that's basically it. It will lag for 1 sec, but then you can turn it off. So yeah, you can do that. So guys, those were all the questions. As I said, there's if you have any more questions, leave them down in the description. I'll try to showcase them on my next Q&A video. I'll try to do this every week depending on how much response I get, but yeah, other than that, do stay subscribed because I'm going to be uploading the latest version of Xiaomi EU as soon as it comes out, so do subscribe if you don't want to miss that. But right now I'm running Revolution OS, as you might have seen, and the thing is, it comes with the MIUI 11 gestures because the MIUI 12 gestures are a bit laggy still. So that's why I'm waiting for EU, because that might be smoother. But anyway, this, if you're asking the battery backup, it's okay. I think it's better than stock MIUI 12, but I don't know, that's basically, there's nothing so special, though the dev has done a great job. There are a few more languages in this one, so yeah, these are all the languages available. You can pause and then I'll slowly go through them. So yeah, and there will be more updates, more languages will be added as the updates proceed. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and this is Fuzail Ahmed from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.